today is our 5th anniversary, and we are a premium brokerage, 300 some people around.
Yeah!
Big round of applause for everybody.
I say it jokingly, but I also say it very seriously. I appreciate each and every one of you. Without the things that we're doing as a joint combined effort, none of this would have been possible. And I love that we're all here today to be able to make this happen. A lot of us in this room, we're leaders, we're movers, we're shakers, we're community builders, gone out and helped people buy, sell, rent, whatever it is. You guys are heroes. At the office level, it's a symbiotic relationship. And we want to make sure that we protect you in every way we can. And so I jokingly with the admin team, they'll always laugh at, I've got swords and Iron Man things and all kinds of gimmicky things in the office, but it's a reminder that at the end of the day, we work collaboratively. We are your support heroes. You guys go out and do the things that you guys do on a daily basis. Yes.